A network hub is a basic hardware device used to connect multiple devices in a local area network. It operates at physical layer of OSI model and functions as central connection point. When a device sends data to the hub, it does not determine the destination but instead broadcasts the data to all connected devices. This means every device receives the data regardless of whether it was the intended recipient. This broadcasting method can lead to data collisions when multiple devices attempt to send data simultaneously. In such cases, the data is lost and a jam signal is sent to notify all devices of the collision, prompting them to wait before resending. Hubs do not have routing tables or any intelligence to manage traffic, making them less efficient than switches or routers. They are often referred to as dumb devices. Hubs support half-duplex communication, meaning data can either be sent or received at a time, not both. There are three main types of hubs. Passive hubs simply connect devices and transmit signals without amplification. Active hubs regenerate and amplify signals before broadcasting them, which helps in extending the network range. Intelligent hubs include monitoring features and can manage network traffic to some extent, offering better performance and diagnostics. Hubs were popular due to low cost and simplicity, but have largely been replaced by switches, which are efficient and secure. However, they are still used in some basic or legacy network setups where advanced traffic management is not required. The number of ports on a hub can vary, typically ranging from 4 to over 100, depending on the design and use case. Hubs do not require IP addresses and do not perform any form of data processing beyond signal transmission.